Hey guys, thanks for joining me for a new video. Today I'm joined by a friend of the channel, my girlfriend, Marielle. Thank you for being here, Marielle.
Woo! Super excited.
Yes, we want to highlight the best e-commerce marketing campaign that we've seen in 2021. Specifically, Marielle loves this brand. So do you want to tell them what the brand is?
It is Aloe, guys.
Yes, Aloe Yoga. If you weren't familiar with them, now that you know, if your Google phone is listening, they're probably going to start showing you ads for Aloe just from hearing this video. But yeah, they do. Well, you want to tell them the top 3 things that we think they do really well as far as e-commerce marketing? By the way, they also use Shopify too, if anybody's a Shopify seller.
Yes. So, I mean, Aloe in general, overall, what we've seen in the last year is they love to create this exclusivity with quality product, and as well as running ads, amazing ads. And the third thing is that they are super friendly to the resale market.
Yeah, and we think all 3 of these things really contribute to their brand being as successful as it is. I mean, yoga is extremely competitive, and they came from being an unknown brand and shot up basically to the top, would you say?
Yeah, absolutely.
Pretty much to the top. So the first thing Marielle said is like, they do these like really exclusive, rare, scarce color drops.
Yeah. So if you don't buy right away, it's typically sold out, and then you can't get that color again. But what is nice is occasionally you can find it on the resale market, and that is because the way that they place their tags and the information of their clothing makes it super easy to save your tag and pin it back on and sell it on Poshmark, eBay, etc. So their resale market is huge.
Right, so just it's kind of like the Supreme model. If you guys are familiar with the Redbox Supreme brand, like they don't necessarily sell special clothes, but they do it in drops, and they have very limited locations, and when they do an online drop, it sells out immediately. With Aloe, it's kind of similar, right? You're wearing color drop pants if you want to show them off.
Woo!
Some light blue.
Yes.
And you have another light
color.
blue. So it works on Marielle. She's got basically 2 of the same, very similar colors, but
but they're different.
different slightly, I guess. But I like both, so I mean, for what it's worth.
Yeah, so they pretty much stick with their consistent products that are time and time again, same material, same shape, same everything, because they did it right the first time. And then they're creating this uniqueness by doing special color drops. And then with that in mind, they can do, I don't know how many colors
it's a premium,
are in the hex code.
It's a premium product too.
Yeah.
So that if you're shopping online and you're unsure if you're gonna like it, no, you already know you're gonna like it. All they did was change the color. So if you have one pair, you already know your size, you know that you're gonna like it.
And a lot of the time with these fancier colors, they typically do not restock. So when you see it, you buy. I got twice this week I had to order from Aloe.
She had to, she didn't have a choice.
I had to, guys. I had to get these color, and then as soon as that drop kind of fizzled out, they did another amazing drop with a sea foam moss color, and I had to have
And how did you
well.
know about the color drops?
Because of their ads.
Right.
Everywhere.
They're retargeting ads. Like if you've bought from Aloe, guys, I wouldn't need to get into the web developer side of it, but like we can track that not only have you been to the site, but then you can say like, okay, have you added to cart? We can sequence that group and spend more money advertising to people that have added to cart. Have you checked out? Oh, you've purchased from us? Sequence that into a different group and spend even more money retargeting that group. That's Marielle.
Oh yeah.
All right, so she's getting Aloe ads all the time for all the new color drops. Aloe has it down to a science, guys. If you haven't been to the site, nobody's paying us to tell you to go check it out, but like their marketing is done extremely well from not just like an advertising perspective, but even how they present the brand. Their strategy for launching new products, they keep it simple, which I think benefits the customers.
Yeah, absolutely. And in addition to that, guys, if you want your boyfriend to buy you Aloe, just keep walking by his phone and saying Aloe, Aloe, Aloe.
It works.
Then ads pop up on his stuff, and then
I see the ads all the time, yeah. So guys, and then being friendly to the reseller community is again removing a barrier of the conversion rate. So guys, that's all we wanted to cover for today. Thank you, Marielle, for being here. And then before we wrap up, anybody that loves Aloe, Marielle's doing a giveaway.
Yes.
So all you have to do is subscribe to her channel. We'll put a link in the description, and just drop a comment on this video that mentions the word tote, okay?
Yep.
And we will respond to your comment if you win. I'll also hit the little heart icon so you get a notification.
Perfect.
All right, Marielle, thanks for being here.
Absolutely.
All right, take care, guys.